at this picture. Believe it or not, this wasn't taken in the studio. I created this using ChatGPT and my phone. If you're thinking about taking better pictures but don't want to spend so much on editing, let me show you how you can create something like this all by yourself. Is it for LinkedIn photos, Facebook, or any professional pictures you want to use to modify or amplify yourself on your social media platforms? I can tell you how you can achieve that without having to pay anybody. You did it all by yourself. Watch me step by step as I show you. First off, the first thing you have to do is that you go to Play Store. Yes, you can download place your ChatGPT on Play Store if you don't have one. If you are using Android, yes. If you are using iPhone, please, ChatGPT is available in Apple Store too. So you type ChatGPT. So this is the ChatGPT you are going to download. After that, you can see it says open because it's already on my phone. Then you open it. You can see the interface. So most mistake people make while creating their images is that you don't give it. This is artificial intelligence. You have to give it the right prompting, say the right thing, the things you want it to do. If you don't tell it what to do, it's going to obviously give you what you are not expecting. So you have to give it the right prompt for it to give you the right image. All right, so pay attention. If it have a right prompt, I already have my prompts with me here, so all I need to do is just paste it here. So if you can use my prompts if you want to. So this is the prompt. Create an image using the uploaded photo as the reference. I'm going to upload the photo I want to generate this picture with. Click on this plus sign. You attach the photo you want. So I'm going to choose the image I want to. Yes, this is it. This is the instructions. Then we hit send. Now we're going to come back to this. Yes, you can see it's generating. All right, now our result is ready. Yes, wow, this is it. This is what ChatGPT gave us, and this is the photo we use. You can see. But now if I want to edit, you can see edit. You can move around it. If I want to tell, I can tell ChatGPT make, I don't like the skin tone, it's a bit too chocolate, make it a lighter, darker. Yes, this is what I want, a little bit darker. So now I like the skin tone right now. I can also tell ChatGPT change her hair, change oh, mistake. We have this still retaining the original face. Now what you do is you can click on it and then you click on this button to download. Yes, it's now saved on my photo, so you can easily go back to your gallery. This is our photo and this is what we were. So you can now post this for your birthday and all that. So I don't know if you like what you see, comment next and I will teach you more on things you can use with ChatGPT.